What's good on my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, the home of the #1 stock market trading and investing channel on all of YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the penny stock that I think is set to explode. I think it has massive 100% plus upside potential in just the next couple of months. Being a good penny stock trader and investor is all about sector strength. Getting into sectors before they pop off. And I think cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, it's hot right now, but it's not that hot in the penny stock sector. Why? Because most of the Bitcoin mining penny stocks, they're not penny stocks anymore. MARA, RIOT, they've made huge moves and they're no longer penny stocks. They're trading up near $20 a share. But the penny stock we're going to be breaking down today is in the cryptocurrency market. It is a Bitcoin play, but they're not doing something traditional. They're doing something a little bit different, and this company is already profitable. We're talking about a penny stock that is too cheap, undervalued, profitable, and I think is ready to make a massive move. If you're new to the channel, here at Touchdown Trades, we break down the hottest stocks in the market every single day. So do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. And everybody, please hook me up with the like the button. Go down there and just like the buttons for me. All right, guys, let's break down this penny stock that is set to explode, in my opinion. Let's get it. All right. Before we break down this cryptocurrency, blockchain, Bitcoin, penny stock that I think has the potential to take off in the next couple of weeks, check out the link in the description for Webull. Webull is offering the Touchdown Trades community, me and you guys, the best deal out there. 4 free stocks when you sign up with the link in the description. Those 4 free stocks are going to be valued up to $3,700. Also, check out the 2-week free trial to the private Discord chat and alerts where you get my buy and sell orders in real time. Just a quick little rundown of the private Discord chat where we've been straight crushing it over the last couple of months. Nordstrom before the huge run up. How about Blink Charging before the huge 100-200% run up? How about Switchback Energy before the 100% run up? Also, CLSK Clean Spark. We bought it at $15 right there. It ran up to $40 plus per share, just a massive move. Also, XPing, XPEV, huge winner in XPing. How about Neo Short Puts? We absolutely killed it. $1,000 in just a couple minutes. We're currently in this net E right now. How about MBIS? One of the biggest winners right there. Huge move in MBIS. Pola was one of the easiest trades they've ever taken. Absolutely crushed Pola. We bought it towards $7.50 a share, and it absolutely exploded. So we caught KOSS last week, 30% in just a couple of days. So check it out, 2-week free trial, risk-free, cancel anytime, you won't be charged. The Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency penny stock that I think is set to explode and make a huge move to the upside is ticker symbol SOS. SOS Limited. This is a fintech play that is getting into the cryptocurrency space, and they're doing something really unique. And I think this stock, which is right now trading at $2 per share, could easily ramp up and break $4 per share in just the next couple of weeks. That would be a 100% plus potential in this stock. Just look at the other cryptocurrency related stocks in the industry. How about MARA? If you had the foresight, in my opinion, trading and being a good investor in penny stocks is not about picking the right penny stocks. It's about picking the right sector and getting in those sectors before they blast off. And that's exactly what I'm looking to do here in Bitcoin, in blockchain. And you might be saying, wait a second, well, Bitcoin's already blasted off. Yeah, but it's on a pullback, and the stock we're going to be breaking down today has kind of been chopping around, and I think it's ready to make the next leg higher. So let's look at this MARA chart. If you had the foresight to get into Bitcoin and crypto, the penny stock sector before the big move, you could have bought MARA at $3 a share. It ran up to $30 per share. That is 1,000% move right there. Same thing with RIOT. If you had the foresight to buy RIOT down here when it was still a penny stock at like $2.50 a share, it ran up to $30 per share, a 1,000% plus move. So SOS, let's break it down. Let's talk about why I think this penny stock has the potential to be a similar play. I think it has the potential to break out of this kind of chop that it's been seeing over the last couple of months and head up over $4 and break out of that consolidation. So SOS is a leading fintech company that operates an award-winning microcredit company and one of China's largest online consumer finance marketplaces. The company enables affordable access to digital credit for one of the largest untapped consumer credit markets. So they're basically giving out loans. We all know that giving out loans is a profitable endeavor in the long run. But that's not why I'm interested in investing and swing trading this company. I'm investing in this company, swing trading this company, because what they're doing in the cryptocurrency world. They came out with a big PR a couple days ago, and they are getting into the blockchain security and insurance space. I think cryptocurrency is going to be around forever. I think it's not going anywhere. I'm not a big Bitcoin investor myself, a big crypto investor. I'm not. I'll be the first to admit it. But I do think there's untapped markets in cryptocurrency. How about insurance? If you have $50, $100 million sitting in Bitcoin, do you want insurance for it? What if somebody gets in your Bitcoin wallet and just takes it? Bitcoin isn't regulated. You can't track where it went. It's gone forever. You need insurance on your Bitcoin if you have a huge quantity. How about security? You need security for your Bitcoin if you have a bunch of it. And that's what SOS is getting into. And they're also talking about getting into Bitcoin mining, which is, we already know, huge business already. We have a news release from SOS Limited. It reveals that Dr. Eric Yan now works for the company. Dr. Yan is well versed in the field of cryptocurrency with an expertise in mining, security, and insurance technologies. So we have a fintech company getting into Bitcoin, security, and insurance. This is a really good step in the right direction, and it's setting this company up for a pop once Bitcoin pops. Once Bitcoin starts to pop up and come off these recent lows and starts to get more attention, investors are going to be flocking to the cheapest penny stocks in the sector that they can find. We're already going to be sitting there waiting, ready with our seatbelts buckled, ready to take the ride higher. The goal of bringing Dr. Yan into the team is to have him create a new business that will apply his knowledge to blockchain-based security and insurance technologies, that will have SOS Limited creating the wholly owned subsidiary, SOS Digital Technologies, for him to manage. So this new company will be entirely owned by SOS, and it's going to be getting involved in the blockchain security and insurance space, a space that I think is going to be big business for many, many years to come and can provide more revenue, more income for SOS. On top of the blockchain security and insurance plan, SOS is also getting into crypto mining. And we all know how hard getting crypto miners right now is. Getting the equipment you need is almost impossible. Go on Bitmain. Bitmain ant miners are some of the best equipment you can get. You can buy, and it's literally all sold out right now. After the big Bitcoin run, everybody's wanting to get into Bitcoin mining. So if SOS can get their hands on some Bitcoin miners, they're talking about big money, and this stock it very well could, in my opinion, go to the moon. All right, so here's the PR. Today, SOS announced its crypto mining plan. SOS plans to invest heavily in the crypto mining business to take advantage of the growing investors' realization of the values and potentials of the crypto assets, aka they see a gold mine and they're hopping on it. So we saw the big move that Riot and MARA made. Well, SOS really hasn't made that big of a move yet. And if they can get their hands on these crypto miners, and they sound very optimistic, I think we could see a move higher with this stock as well. So Dr. Eric Yan, we remember that guy. The guy is well versed in cryptocurrency, knows what he's talking about. He's spearheading the company's planned cryptocurrency security and insurance operation, will also be responsible for the crypto mining business. The same dude that we just heard is going to be managing the crypto mining aspect of the operation as well. He'll be setting up a series of cloud mining sites in regions where energy costs are much lower and clean energy resources much more. So one of the main costs of crypto mining is going to be energy costs. And if they can find an area in China where the energy costs are very low, or wherever they're going to open up this mining operation, energy low equals more profit. Cheaper per Bitcoin cost equals more profit. If it costs you $10,000 to mine one Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin's trading at 30K like it is right now, your profit is that middle of $20,000 per Bitcoin, and that's very realistic in Bitcoin mining. Let's take a look at the numbers for this company real quick, and then we'll talk about my personal investing and swing trading plan for this SOS stock. So right now we have a market cap of only $100 million, less than $100 million. So we're dealing with a micro cap company, but we're dealing with a profitable company with a $2.5 million profit last year, which is very rare for a penny stock. So we had sales of 30 million, profit of 2.5 million, really good margins there. We also are dealing with a company that has a tiny float of 500,000 shares, and almost 40% of the float is sold short, meaning everybody's shorting this stock, and we know what that means. You're short, and then it breaks out to the upside. What happens? A short squeeze, and it sends it higher. Short squeezes are very violent moves to the upside, and I think this stock, if it breaks out of this consolidation from like the 350 area, the $1.50 area, it's been chopping around, and I think the next move Bitcoin makes, we could very well see the stock break out of that consolidation. If that happens and I'm short, I'm stopping out of my positions, and if that happens, the shorts start stopping out, we're going to see a short squeeze in this stock. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at 32,730 per Bitcoin. It has pulled back off the highs by 20% plus. So I think once Bitcoin moves back higher towards that 40K level, as I expect it will, I think SOS will follow. So my plan is to be buying this down near $2 per share with a stop down under $1.50, maybe a little bit higher, maybe $1.75 in that $1.50 to $1.75 area. And I'm looking for this thing to break out over $3 towards $4 per share. Boom. And then once that happens, it's off to the races. Everybody who's sold short is going to be stopping out of their positions, and we could see a massive short squeeze in this SOS stock. So this is a Bitcoin related short-term swing trade for me. I'm going to be looking for a price target of $4 per share on this stock. It's going to be a big, violent move in my opinion, and it's going to happen when Bitcoin starts to perk back up. I do like that the company's profitable, so even if it chops around for a little bit, we're in a company that's profitable, or I'm in a company that's profitable, and they have real underlying assets to provide. It's just not some trash company that has some shed in Nebraska that nobody knows about, and it's just a shell company. And a lot of times when you're trading penny stocks, that's what you're dealing with. But here we have a company that they actually made money last year, and that's kind of reassuring to invest in a penny stock like that. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you got something from it. If you did, hit that like button for me. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bells. Catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace.